Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, February 2nd through Saturday, February 8th. It's a slow week, you guys. I'm just going to say it's a slow week, but you never know. There's some stuff that does pop up on us that we have no idea about. But it looks like they're having Senior Day, which is not included for us, so it's up to you guys. If you're a senior, you can go do that. It says it's for February 4th only, but yeah. So on the front page, they got some Valentine's Day stuff, which is like really pretty much right around the corner. They have some all for $2.99. We're getting some dollar off coupons, making them $1.99. The Scots are buy one get one 50% off. They're usually $5. You get 50% off coupons. You can get them for like $3.50 or $3.25, I think is what the price is. Now they also have the Olay body wash, and then they have the Old Spice body wash. Well, Olay we have $1 off coupons, and the Old Spice we have $1 off of 2 coupons. So I say get the Olay deal, but they are 2 for $12. If you guys use 2 of the $1 Olay coupons, you guys would pay $10, but then you get 5,000 points. Basically makes them $5 or $2.50 a piece. Not a great deal, but like I said, if you guys are brand loyal, definitely go ahead and do that. They have Pepsi products and 7-Up products, 3 for $9.99. That comes out to be $3.33 a piece. So if you guys need, you know, some pop soda, go ahead and do that. We also have General Mills cereal, $1.99. Now it says there's $1 off of 2 online coupon. We also have 2 off of 4 coupons that we got this past Sunday's inserts. So they basically come out to be like $1.50. So it's up to you guys what you want to do with that. Most likely there will be a deal on Savings Star. There usually is, so you could probably get them for $1 a box if you do the $1 off of 2 coupon. The Crest cereal is $2.99. Most likely we'll have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Most likely, if you guys use that, then you guys can, you would pay $3.97. Then you get that $3 register reward, making them 97 cents or just 32 cents a piece. That's up to you guys if you want, but that's just for toothpaste and mouthwash. So no toothbrushes included. Tide is $4.99. We got the $2 off online coupons, making them $2.99. Same thing with the Downy. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. Sorry, I got enough sleep last night. I'm just still tired. Here in the top right corner, I'm not sure what this is, but it says 10 times everyday points when you spend $20 or more at Walgreens.com. So it's for a Walgreens.com. So, and it goes until the 15th. So it looks like it's a 2-week sale if you guys were interested in that. Campbell's soup, 2 for $2. Lindsay olives, I swear those are always 99 cents all the time. We got the nice or home plates. They're buy one get one free. So if you guys need that, it's also included in the bowls and the cups. Coffee Mates with an in-store coupon is 2 for $3. Now they do have Javalia and McCafe coffee on the bottom right corner. We are getting $1 off McCafe coffee, so you guys can get those for $3.99. I don't drink coffee, so I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not, but it's up to you guys what you think. So sharing with you guys that. More food deals, nothing going on, but I don't know if you guys knew about this, but the Planters Nuts guy, they released on Twitter the other day that he passed away. I know it was some stunt that they're doing, so we'll see what happens. I know they were going to do something for the Super Bowl, but they took it out as far as I know. So yeah, so we'll see what happens for that. Let's just keep on trucking. Yeah, keep on trucking. Miss Charlotte's in my arms, so if you guys hear baby noise, it's her. They got some soda, 3 for $3. It's an okay deal. I usually say you always should pay $1 for the bottles of soda. Pop all the time. Candles are buy one get one free. Pens, buy one get one free. Sorry you guys, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. These little things are $2.99. So if you guys, I just found out that my school does not want candy. So like these are little gifts that you guys can give away for the kids. So that's a pretty decent deal. If you guys want to do that. Renews it's 89 cents. I'm not sure if there's any digital coupons for that. But Purex, Soft Scrub, Sun, and Purex Crystals. Those are all buy one, get one free. So if you guys need to get some of that stuff, definitely go ahead. And now we're into the vitamins and medicines. Some of that stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. Some other stuff is buy one, get one free. The hair and gummies are buy one, get one free. Advil, nothing really popping up. I mean, the Thermacare is $6.29. Then you use that $3 off coupon, making it, I'm sorry, $6.29, use that $3 off coupon. Now here's a good deal if you guys need these. These are $7.99. This is another deal that a lot of people are like, hey, my store doesn't let me do this. Right here, you guys can do it. But you would use a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then a $4 off coupon that we're getting the inserts, making them $1.99. So that is a pretty good deal if you guys want to do that. Halls is 2 for $5. There's going to be a $1.25 off a 2 coupon, making them $3.75. So that comes out to be like $1, like 30 something cents. So if you guys need to do that. Schick razors $5.99. There's going to be some online coupons, making them $2.99. If you guys spend $15 or more, you get 3,000 points. Then they have, you know, just not a lot of great deals. The Bic Soleil is buy one, or the Bic is buy one, get one 50% off. There's going to be a $3 online coupon. If you guys buy 3, you get 3,000 points. Rate Guard is $3.49. We're getting $1.50 off coupons, making them $1.99. Okay. Tresemme 2 for $10. Looks like they're going to be they're going to be a 4 off a 2 coupon, making them 2 for $6. Then you guys get 2,000 points when you buy 2, making them $2 a piece. Not a great deal. Herbal Essence 2 for $12. 2 for $7. I wouldn't do that. Now here they got the Colgate toothpaste. This is like the enamel, and this is the total. So the enamel is $4.99. We are getting $1 off coupons. So you get them for $3.99. It says right here, if you guys buy 2 of them, you get a $6 register reward. So basically, you guys would pay $7.98. You get that $6 register reward. It comes out to be $1.98. Do not do that deal. Same thing with the Colgate total. $3.99. Use those $1 off coupons, making them $2.99. If you guys buy 2, you get 4,000 points. So those also come out to be $1.98. Again, not the greatest deal. Okay. Now we got some makeup deals. It looks like there is some L'Oreal. It says up to $6 off an additional savings. I'm not sure by that. They do have some Revlon and Almay lip cosmetics, $6.99. You guys will get a $7 register reward when you buy 2. Now we do have some of those $5 off Catalinas that we're printing. I'm not sure if you can use 2 of them in one transaction. I don't have mine near me right now to read the small print, but there is that. The Rimmel is buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting $1 off coupons. So it's going to be kind of a slow week. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I'm just here to share with you guys the deals. Hopefully you guys have a good shopping day. I'm going to share with you guys as many deals as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.